Hey guys, this is Mike with AutoWay Collision here at our Simi Center facility in Simi Valley. Today we're going to show you a leak on a slide out on a 2019 Sprinter RV. So stay tuned and we're going to show you some tricks and we're going to fix this problem. Come on over. Alright guys, so here we are inside the Sprinter van, and the problem is coming from these little holes for these lights inside the slide out. The customer, when they pull the slide out open, and if it's raining outside, water starts coming through this little hole. Very simple fix. All we're going to do is change these lights because they're already rusted out. We're going to run new wires. When we run the wires through, we'll make sure that we silicone every one of these screw holes, including the hole to the wires. Put the brand new lights back onto place, and job's done. Simple fix. Customer's not going to have any problems with the water leak inside the RV. No molds, no mildews, nothing to worry. Hey guys, this is Mike again, AutoWay Collision here at the Simi Center facility in Simi Valley. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today we talked about a 2019 Sprinter van, Brougham, Ultra Brougham edition. So we showed you the simple trick in regards to fixing a water leak that the customer was very unhappy with. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and we'll see you guys soon.